Today we have been announcing our grand success today in Bengaluru. The blessings, the divine blessings for peace, prosperity, and success.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone, and we're very happy to be in the race. We started Bengaluru the once last year, and then we wanted to take a team. I was so keen to get Bengaluru because I have a huge connection, spiritual connection to Bengaluru, and I get involved so I have two personal connection, and I want to take a team on Bengaluru and to Gaurav and we got the team, and all was so great. As I said, I have an exhibition career. We won the first championship in the world football last season. This game coming to sport. Sport is all about unity and great engagement, right? Sports is the only sports and entertainment are the only things we don't have any just focus to that. So we want to come to sport and we want to use the one we want to championship. Moving forward from there, I feel we should spread the league as much as possible. And I got to hear the registry alone came around 650 for the local tournament, which is huge. And very, very happy and what is very huge. Bengaluru, my partner, Jamil, thank you, Jamil, and thank you. Thank you, everyone. And we want to be in the same as much as. And I want the youngsters to participate. Moreover, the key over the championship, I think pickleball gives a great mental health and physical health. I think that's going to be the easiest and most flexible and most lovable game, which gives a great sportsmanship and so I think everyone should start playing. Thank you. Thank you for your India. So, sequel need to wait for this substitute show. Thank you, Priya, because it was a very important time in our life. Apart from cinema, we want to invest ourselves for the next generation. So she came up with the idea to get into sports, and thanks to Priya. Dialogue. I'll say watch it. I think watch it. We would just like to say that we're very happy with the kind of response. I know that there is another match. I think it was 650 or 85 matches that we had. This is the third tournament that we are doing about the franchisees.
also getting the players for the world class league. So this is a beautiful idea that India has. We of course fans of Bangalore always support Bangalore Javans as a Bangalore team. So let's go Bangalore Javans. Let's go also want to be Bangalore Javans candidate. So all credit to CC Sir and India. So we will all support the Bangalore Association. So stand by Bangalore Javans forward.
Yes. And dear friends, happy to see so many enthusiastic faces here. Happy to see so many enthusiastic faces here. Today I'm asked to speak on the sports medicine and the sports injury part. Which I take just 2 minutes. So as a sports medicine specialist, my message for you guys today is playing safe, avoiding injuries and sustenance of the game. Winning today is of course an important thing. It's not just about winning today. Going home safely is other most important thing. This is a game of endurance and strategies. A good stretches, a good strengthening program is a backbone of this game. So just playing, technique is not sufficient. Stretches, endurance training, strength training is an important part before you get into the game. And the day of the game today. So I request all the players to do proper and good stretches before you start your game. And hydration is not just affects your body, lack of hydration is affecting your body. It also reduces your focus. So that's very important. Second is mindfulness. While playing, be present on the game. Don't get distracted by other things. The most common cause of injury has been estimated at about 60-70% of injuries in amateur players is because of lack of concentration. Be mindful, know where the ball is, concentrate so that you have less injuries. Not only injuries, you can perform well and you can win the game. And third thing, focus on recoveries. After a game, don't go home and stay rest. You have to recover the muscle. A good cool down, a good stretches, good nutrition, and then a good sleep. Don't drink and party late night after the game. Go home, sleep. Sleep is the most important thing which helps you recover. With this, I want to give you a last message. Play safe, play well, play strong, and be the best team in the game.
Yeah, bro. To answer the question, thanks for the wishes. And God is so kind. God is showering a lot of love on us, on Jawan, on Bangalore Jawan, on National Award. Yeah, of course, I think Jawan is a lucky thing for me and for the entertainment world. And Jawan is not just a word, it's an emotion. It's all about how you protect, how you be strong, how you be very firm to get good things. So it is a lucky term and a good term. So it is showering a lot of love. Yeah, bro, of course, because the facility is not very money consuming. It's a simple facility. You should have 4 bats and 4 players. Maybe 2 is also fine, and simple ground is enough. So it makes easy for everyone. That's how cricket picked up in India during 70s and 80s. I think pickleball in next 2-3 years it's going to be a very, very, very familiar and very well-breeded game in the country for sure. Yeah, I'm very connected to the spiritual zone of Kuke Subramaniam from a very long time. I'm a big follower of Kuke Subramaniam, and when we checked with the slot what all the cities available, then I asked, is there Bengaluru available? I want to take Bengaluru. And fortunately, we got the first championship. Immediately in the same year, RCB also got it. So I think it's a year for Bengaluru, and things are falling in place. I love Bengaluru. I have a lot of friends. I have a lot of emotional connect with Bengaluru, apart from spiritual connect. So Bengaluru is always special to me. City, bro. Mostly city and hills nearby. We just go for a vacation. That's it. Yeah. Right now, pickleball, and it's gonna be pickleball. Yeah. We have a busy schedule. Definitely, I will check with him for sure. I will check with him if he can join some game. I will ask him. I will ask him for sure. Thank you, everyone. Thanks for coming. Really, I appreciate that. Press is the most essential tool to take everything to the people, and I think you should take this. Pickleball is the most important. Will play important key role in health system and fitness because it gives a great mental health and any age there is no age bar. When I went to LA for some of my film work, everywhere you can see people with no age barrier, some 14 years old and 50 years old are playing, and lot of women are playing. I think it is the most easiest way to bring your mental health to a control and to bring your fitness in control, because now we go through a lot of stress, lot of challenges in life. I think we should concentrate on health and we should concentrate on fitness. I think pickleball is one of the best game for it. That is the most reason I've come into sport. Let's spread pickleball as much as, and you are the people who can take it to the audience and make them play. Thank you. Thanks for coming here today. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah, I loved Kantara, bro. I spoke to Rishabh, and I love it's unbelievable film, bro. Oh my God, what he has pulled. Oh my God, it has given great confidence to the filmmakers, and I'm really happy for Kantara. And I'm a very good friend of Yash sir and Rishabh. Both are doing great, and both are bringing a lot of things to the industry, and they are being an inspiration, bro. Yeah. Of course, that's the main motto to have this local tournament.
So I just want to answer that question because it also has to do with the league. See, our vision when Aarti and me started the league was that eventually we should have more Indian players who should be selected. So in season 1, we had only 8 players in our draft from India. This year we are going to have probably double of that. You're already seeing Indian players performing in the international level. So in fact, we are going to work with the state federation and, Atlee sir, and we all have plans to go deep into the state of Karnataka as well to scout. Because eventually, commercial is one thing, but we want India and Indian players and everybody to succeed and to have as many players from India in the league as well as hopefully playing for India.
Thank you everyone. Thanks for the lovely meet. Thank you.